Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to export or import passwords in Microsoft Edge. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Open Microsoft Edge and click the three dots menu icon in the top corner. Go to Settings. Click on Profiles in the sidebar, then select Passwords. Click on the three-dot menu and select Export Passwords. Confirm by clicking Export Passwords again and choose where to save the .csv file on your computer. To import passwords, from the Passwords page, click on the three-dot menu and select Import Passwords. Choose the .csv file you previously exported and upload it. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.